think once the other truck gets filled up, then they put it in this container. So it shucks the corn also, I don't know if that's the right word, where they take the corn off the cob. But you can see that takes like 1, 2, 3. Wait, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 rows of corn. All right, it's coming back, and now you can see the corn on top. Maybe by the time it gets to us, we'll be able to see the transfer of the corn to the other tractor. And the green tractor has a chute that he can, here it goes. He's going to throw the corn in the other tractor, and they can just keep going. Pretty amazing what the farm equipment can do now. I assume it goes overseas. I'm not quite sure where it gets shipped to. But he's no longer in the dairy business, so he doesn't need grain for any livestock. So this is just part of his income. So this is the last of the field. And I might add the last of my drone.